Here we come to the elevator at 110 North Center in Hickory, North Carolina. And look at this Otis black button. This is awesome. Down is burnt out. You can also hear the relays too. This is an Otis. Vintage Otis black button. Awesome. Beautiful. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. This is epic, y'all. I ain't gonna cavity. This thing's kind of small. Wow, is this thing an absolute beauty? Vintage Otis. I love vintage Otis. All right, it's gotta be. This appeared to be bottom drive. I love the relays. All right, I'm gonna let it close and we'll take it for one more ride. And that'll be all. 3, 2, 1. Look in the mirror. Hi. Epic. I'm gonna go down to B. I want to hear that relay one more time, and then we're gonna end that at 1. I gotta get a listen to the sound of the relays. Those are epic. As well as the door movement. I want to hear that. And then we're gonna go ahead and end it on 1. I'll let you listen one more time. Once it close up fast that time when I hit the door open button. All right, up to 1 end there. Epic, y'all. So we're filming. I absolutely love this thing. This is an absolute treasure. There it goes. And before I go, look at this thing. Look at this old ashtray right here. This is definitely this is obviously original to the building. I just discovered that ashtray while I was getting off the elevator. This is definitely an old treasure. And I believe these signs right here are original to the building as well as this furniture, I think.
They got it.
Yeah. So with that being said, that'll be it.